Okay guys, we had a water heater in our RV go out, and I wanted to show you guys a couple little tests you can do in a really simple way. You're going to get your electric meter and you want to put it on this setting right here, the little sound setting or ohm setting. When you touch these two together, it'll beep. Okay, now notice when I touch this heating element, you guys want to make sure that your wires are disconnected, but when I touch this heating element that's currently in there, it's not beeping at all. So we went ahead and we removed it, and as you can see, it's pretty rough and completely burnt through. So I went to Lowe's and I got a new heating element and a new rocker switch. The switches on these things go bad really quick, and the switch was bad too. Probably because this went out, the switch went bad. But anyway, to test the switch, you just do the same thing. You put these two probes on the back of the switch in the on position. If it beeps, it works. If it doesn't beep, it's not working. Okay, another thing you can do is these thermostats up here. You can put it on this side of the thermostat. Notice we're getting a 0 reading, okay? And on a good heating element, we're getting about 10 ohms of readings. So just know that if your heating element isn't reading 10, make sure your wires are disconnected. If it's not reading 10, there's a problem. Okay guys, we got our new element on, we got our new switch on, we got it all turned back on, and when I hit these two, when I put it on AC, I got 110 volts coming in here to our heating diode. So this was a success. I got some things to put back together, but thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.